Hey YouTube, it's been an interesting hour and a half, to say the least. I did end up with a tap follower. Um, we got the plans here. Yeah, we just won't pay any attention to that. A little look at the aftermath. It wasn't pretty. Probably in every drawer. And my little 5-piece tap ratchet die set. And my Kentucky bluegrass grass seed. You got the grinder involved. We got into the heated toolbox. Well, here's what we ended up with. Let's shine this best side here. If it has a pretty side. Okay, we have here, we have an M10 threaded cap. We have a combination of 2 springs interlaced. We have a retaining pin on the end of the probe or the tip. And we have the tip itself, and that retaining washer is landing on a shoulder. We got some travel. If we can demonstrate the travel. A little crunchy. Of course, it'll be chucking up on this larger diameter, which I may have to turn down to fit the average Jacob's chuck. Well, there it is. It ain't pretty, but it works. I did make a few changes. I don't know if I've gone over this. I moved my digital readout up on the wall. Hear my wife calling. And I got my 10s holding my tool holders and various accessories. And I added a magnetic strip. Alright guys, love you all. Please hit the like button. And let's go out